What's up, CEOs? Oh, shoot, I forgot. If you are watching this right now, then you are probably watching the replay. Well, as we wait for people to come in, today's topic is how to get rich quick flipping used cars. So when you come in, let me know who you are. Say good morning, hello. Hopefully I'm getting comments. Hopefully everything is working because I really don't have time for any of that today. What's up, Corvette D? Yes, it is working. So great. I'm Shamel Leonard, and I do these videos for auto dealers almost every week because I saw a need as my own business was crumbling beneath my feet. I realized that, there needs to be some guidance and support for small startup auto dealers on how to run your business. So that's why I'm here doing these videos. And I started the Auto Dealer Business School to further give small dealers resources, okay? And I've been a speaker at the NADA conference. We have 200 members and counting. We have programs to get you licensed and to get you to six figures and to get you to $1 million in revenue. And there's more to come. So today's topic, like I said, is how to get rich quick. Flipping used cars. If you want to know more about how to buy and sell your first 5 cars and sign up for that workshop, I will put that link, but I can't answer that right now. So yes, how to get rich quick. So I have been chasing getting rich quick forever. And, right, like I have gotten into lots of different businesses. I have signed up for all the things that were like, yes, get rich quick. This is all you need is this, right? And I believed it and, got in, and then I realized, okay, it does take a couple of things. So, hold on. Okay. Hey, Judah. So yeah, that's what I want to bring you right now, is what I've learned in selling used cars myself and in chasing all the get rich quick, schemes, if you will, all the get rich quick quote or claims, right? Hey, Judah, what's up? All right. So one thing that I realized about getting rich quick is you need to be able to have no barriers to success. Good morning, Adrian. What's up? You need to have no barriers to success. Okay. You get started and you're motivated, you're hyped up, and everything is great, but then you get into something and then you start to see the barriers to success. So if you are out here flipping cars without a license, not having a license is a barrier to success because you looking over your shoulder, you have a limitation on how you have to move, on how your deals are structured, etc. It's a barrier. So that's the first thing, is to remove that barrier and get your license. Okay. That's going to allow you to have unlimited success and be able to get rich quick, because what it really takes is to be able to sell a lot of cars at a high profit, right? So to be able to sell a lot of cars, you have to have no barriers to selling a lot of cars, and a license is one. Okay. So get licensed. Number one. Hey, Marcella, what's up? The number 2 thing to getting rich quick selling used cars is experience. And let me know if you have any questions, okay? I realize in a lot of things that I got in before that claim to help you get rich quick, I realized I had a learning curve. And if you have a learning curve, you're not going to get rich quick. Buenos dias. You're not going to get rich quick, right? Because you have stuff to learn. You got to figure some stuff out. So you need experience, either your own experience or you need to borrow someone's experience to get you over that hump in your business, right? And to know all the things and watch out for all the things and, be able to move your business forward in the best possible way. Okay. Can I get an amen? For experience counts. People have quotes out here about like, yeah, it took me 10 years to know how to do that one thing in 30 minutes, right? So it's the experience that helped to put all that together so that you could do something quickly and to do something with precision and with a strategy, right? A proven and tested strategy, right? So you got to have experience because there's a learning curve out here selling used cars. So you got to have experience. Okay. Any other questions? Or any questions? Any questions? Any questions? I'm just making sure. All right. So a license, experience. And then the other thing to get rich quick is a big budget. You need a big budget because, again, we're talking about no barriers to success. So then you need a big budget to be able to buy all the cars so that you can flip them and get them, reconned or reconditioned and detailed and marketed and have high visibility so that they can sell quickly, right? So it takes a big budget to execute that whole plan. Or if you, and also what I want to say in addition to that is your big budget helps you to absorb lessons. Okay. So if you don't have experience, a big budget helps you to absorb the lessons that you need to learn, to do what you got to do to, be out here selling used cars. Right. So yeah, a big budget does help. Now, I know you guys are probably like, okay, that's great, a big budget, but I don't have a big budget, right? So if you don't have a big budget, then you definitely need experience, or else you are going to spend all your money trying to figure it out. It is a given. It happened to me. It happened to several people who have come to the auto dealer business school for help. Like they've been out here trying to figure it out and they have spent all their budget, right? Because yes, lessons cost money. What's a big budget dollar amount? So that really depends on how rich you want to get and how quick, right? I'm just saying budget in the sense of no barriers to success, to your success. Like you have to have enough money to be able to buy enough cars to make you as rich as you want to be, so of course defining rich is up to you, and then that leads to how much a budget is. Right now there's a minimum budget I think you need, but if you're out here trying to get rich quick, if you're like, yeah, by next month I want to be a millionaire selling used cars, then you need to probably have $1 million budget to make that happen quickly, and the experience and the team, right, which is the next one after the budget is your systems, which include your team and your processes, right? So yeah, that's what I mean by big budget. And I know I didn't really answer that question, Corvette D, but do you kind of see where I'm going with that answer? Is like, it really depends on how rich and how quickly. The shorter the timeline, then the more money you need to have. Okay, you got it. Okay, awesome. All right. And so, yes, moving on to the fourth thing is, yes, if you want to get rich quick, then you got to have everything laid out. You got to have it like 1, 2, 3. This is what we're doing. First, let's put everything into place. Like, it's like a production, right? Like an assembly line almost of how things are going to operate in your business. Because yeah, you're trying to get rich quick. So you need to sell a lot and sell quickly and sell with perfection almost, right? So yes, the systems in your business will help you to do that. And then the last thing that you need to do to get rich quick is you need to have a niche. You need to have a niche, okay? Niching is the way to more money. So if you are focused on like buying all the cars and, having all the exit strategies in place at one time, all you're really doing is splitting your focus and splitting your resources, dividing your resources into different buckets, right? You need to pour all your resources into one revenue stream in the beginning to get your business to get to where it needs to go quickly. Right. And what I mean by niche, I mean, the different markets, like cash cars is a niche, finance cars under $10,000 is a niche, etc. Okay. Just buying Jeeps is a niche, or, there are all kinds of different niches, and niching will help you to go further faster. Okay. So any questions? I feel like I kind of just ran through that because honestly, it's tax season and, it's busy. So I'm actually putting some new systems in place because, this year, my focus is putting everything in place to have $1 million year, right? And what that means and what kind of things need to happen every day, every week, every month, every quarter, every year in my business for it to reach $1 million in net revenue, Okay. So, so any questions? So I'm like trying to get it done because I'm trying to get rich quick. Right. But part of the reasons why I didn't get rich quick when I first started was because even though I had a license, I didn't have experience, I didn't have a big budget, I didn't have systems, and I didn't have a niche. I was focused on all kinds of things, which is why when I talk to you about, I tried everything because I was all over the place, and that split my focus because I was really just trying to figure out, where is the money? Where does the money reside, right? Is it over here? Is it over there? Oh, somebody mentioned this, somebody mentioned that. And it would be like squirrel, and just really take my focus away from my niche. Okay. So the sooner you decide on a niche, the better for you and your business. And you have to have all the things in place for your niche to work. So for example, if your niche is selling cars that are under 10,000, but over 5,000, then you need to have third-party financing in place because those customers will need third-party financing. If that's your niche and you're focusing on that, then you are not going to get rich quick. You're actually going to sink money into your business and stall. You're going to stall out because you don't have the things to move that revenue stream forward. Okay. So are you picking up what I'm putting down? I'm searching to make sure I'm giving you everything that I think you need to know. Okay. So one last thing that I want to say while I'm waiting for any questions. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Are you breathing in when I'm breathing out? Yes, Judah. Great. All right. So any questions? And this is the last thing that I definitely want to leave you with is I want you to know that even though the title of this video is how to get rich quick, you can still get rich even if you don't have a big budget, right? Even if you don't have the experience yourself, even if you don't have the systems, and even if you don't know your niche. Now, you do have to figure those things out and you have to put those things in place so that your business can have what it needs to get rich, right? Make you a rich person, right? And rich, of course, is defined by whatever you define rich as, right? You can still have those things. Now, it'll take you longer, without the big budget, without having the experience, unless you partner with someone and unless you get the budget, okay? Unless you have a mentor that can show you the experience that you need to have and the systems that you need to have and the niche that you should focus on, right? And then you go out and get the budget. You put yourself in a better position to go and get the budget that you need to be more successful because you're going to need an influx of cash in your business at different points. So it's a good idea to start your business off in a way that you can access, you have access to capital at a later date. Okay. And that's something to plan for, either with business credit, with your revenue that you're bringing in. All of these things help to give you access to capital later, right? Investors even can help you get access to capital. So I want to leave you with decide what your plan is for your business now. Decide now that, hey, okay, I know I need these 5 things. I need a license. I need experience. I need a budget. I need systems. I need a niche. How am I going to get these 5 things so that I can be most successful? Okay, that is what I want to leave you with. All right. And if you are here and you're feeling like, okay, well, this auto dealer business school looks like they kind of have the plan that can check off some of these boxes, that can check off the experience, the systems, even the budget with the funding that we have for dealership startup, and with the niche and helping you get the license. I mean, I really didn't think about it, but yes, we help with all of those things. So if you are looking at this and you're saying, okay, yes, this auto dealer business school looks like, okay, it can help me check off these boxes, then I want to invite you to check out the how to buy and sell your first 5 cars, because getting rich it starts with the first step, right? You don't just wake up and you do a whole bunch of things and then you're rich. You have to take one step, then take the next step, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so we start with buying and selling our first 5 cars to make it manageable. You can sign up for that workshop. I'll put the link here. And then also, if you want to know more about what your personal plan would be on how to make this, on how to get rich, flipping cars, selling used cars, then you can schedule a strategy session with me. Right now, they are complimentary. You get one complimentary 30-minute strategy session, which will take you through the strategy that you need to get rich quick flipping used cars. Okay, CEOs? All right, so any questions? Hopefully this was helpful. Was this helpful? My goal with this video is to help you to see that, yes, you can get rich selling used cars. And these are the things you need. So just go get these things and then, make it do what it do. And then, you'll get to where you need to go. So was this helpful? I want to make sure it was helpful, right? I also want to say, because something came up and it was like, is it kind of like clickbait in my mind? Because yes, get rich quick is kind of I don't know. I don't think it really exists to get rich quick, right? Getting rich quick, you always see the results of years of planning and years of, structuring your business, right? Like you see the fruits of your labor and people look at it and they're like, oh, wow, you got rich quick. And it's like, no, I've been working on this for years. So it really does take a commitment. You need a long-term plan to get rich quick, really. Okay. You really do. Okay. Yes. Always very helpful. No questions right now. Just listening. Gotcha. Yes. Very great. Hello. Yes. Okay, great. It doesn't, but it does if that makes sense. Yes. Yes, you're back, Jose. I was about to say, Jose, where you been? Okay, we got to talk, Jose. All right. I missed you. We got some work to do. So yes, let's get back on it. All right, CEOs. I'm ready when you are. Okay. I am ready when you are. So when you are ready, let me know. Join the workshop, schedule a strategy session. Let's get this thing going, because I was talking to the 6-Figure Dealer Club yesterday in our session, and it was a really great session for a lot of reasons. But I want to leave you with this, is that during these times where the business is volatile or it has just switched up are the times that people make and create wealth. Okay. It has been proven over time with all the recessions and anytime something like this happens where things are shaken up, it leaves room for new millionaires to emerge. Okay. So are you a millionaire? Are you the millionaire that's about to emerge selling used cars? If so, holler at me, because I am ready. All right. So have a blessed day, and I will see you next week. Bye.